wow, oh wow. What's going on, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Northwest Kicks, finally back at it again. The background does look different. I moved from Seattle, Washington to Loma Linda, and maybe on a later video I can show you guys and tell you guys why I moved and show you guys my place that I'm at. It's exciting to open the camera up and turn everything on, and it's been a long time. But for this reason of this video, obviously I want to show you guys my recent pickup, so you already know what time it is. Let's go. Alright, so I'm not going to do any crazy montage or b-roll. I want this to be a very simple edit. I'm just going to go right into it. So for the first box, I'm going to open. Let's see what it is. Hope you guys are all staying safe from COVID. Life is going semi-smoothly. For you guys, I miss you guys. It's been a while. And you already know what this is. Man, I've been, you know, I wanted to see what Vanessa was going to do. Obviously, you can see from the box and see from the logo, you kind of would understand what shoe this is inside. I've been wanting these shoes ever since the first versions came out, 2010. I'm not sure if that's the correct date. 2009, 2010, somewhere around there. I don't know. But they were just so expensive. They were like, man, $900 to like $1,200 for my size. And for a basketball shoe, I was like, those are my grails, but I don't want to spend that much. And finally, this year, they have re-released 2020, and I got the L. And I was waiting for Vanessa to do something with Nike, but there was some hiccups and, you know, them leaving, and there's just this drama going on. And I was like, you know what? Before this goes up to like $600-700, and it's been creeping up. I wanted to pick these up. Finally, in person. This is my first time seeing a 2020 version, and I'm excited. And I wanted to do this video so you guys can see my reaction. Woo! Wow. And so I've actually done a lot of research, you know, if I should half size up. Looking at these shoes, man, they are gorgeous. Got the Zoom Air in the back, but man, having these in person, I'm so excited that I finally have these in my collection. Obviously, got the StockX tag, bought it off of StockX, and I think I got it for a good price. I got it for $488. Which is obviously still a lot of money for a basketball shoe, but this shoe was just the price was going up, so I was like, man, I better buy it before it goes up. So, like I said, I got 0.5 up. I'm a true 11, but man, I've been watching the reviews, and they're like, it's tight for a basketball shoe, so you should, you know, half size up. Let's try it on real fast. Let me see how it is, and I'm wearing ankle socks, so oh yeah, that 11.5 is perfect. And wearing basketball, ooh, these are tight. Okay, so these 11.5s, man, ooh, I wonder if I have to size up to a 12. Anyways, all right, so I'm super excited that I got those Grinches finally. Now these shoes, they haven't been very fast shipping. Obviously, you see from the tag and the box, you could guess maybe. Person, here is a receipt. I spent $251 on these. Yeah, and so I'm excited. Wow. For the price that it is right now and how crazy Dunks are, these are a steal. You know me already. I love black and white. I actually picked these up. These are still DS. These are the St. John's, but I just kind of love the SBs, and I'm not whole into the SB. I used to skate when I was younger, like middle school, high school. Do I skate now? No. Do I like how it looks? Yes. Am I in the hype? Maybe. So these are so far the two Dunks I had. I did have the Ben & Jerry's, but I sold those for the Chicago Off-Whites, and then I sold that for a bigger thing. And maybe in the future video I will show you on that big purchase. It was a very expensive purchase, but I'll show you guys later in a later video. But that's it. Those are the two shoes I picked up. I'll give you guys on feet, and yeah, that's it. Peace.